On the first day of nomination filing, NPP candidates Amperin Lingdo along with her sister Jasmine M. Lingdo filed a nomination. Independent candidate Pinchai Manik CM also filed his nomination from Milliam. President Draupadi Murmu today asserted that India has a stable, fearless and decisive government which is working towards realizing the big dreams. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the world is looking towards India's budget in the first global headwinds. He said the government's only motto is India first, citizen first. The International Monetary Fund has said that India to remain the fastest growing major economy in the world despite global headwinds. The IMF released its January update on world economic outlook today. Amrit Udayan at Rashtrapati Bhavan has been opened for the general public from today.